I just think here, like, if you're trying to elevate, or if you're trying to change, or if you're trying to like grow, I see why they say it can be hard sometimes doing that if you stay around the same people. Because I know a lot of people nowadays, they talk about isolate yourself, lock in, just go ghost, go MIA. Like, I understand why that is. And I kind of want to talk about my reasoning of you having to isolate in order to, go to the next level, or I guess focus for some time, or just like elevate or whatever. Like, the people who are around you and the people who know you the most, or who've spent a lot of time around you, they hold a certain mental concept about you. And that mental concept is just based on the person you were when you met them, and when you've been like friends with them, or when you've been around them. And when people have a certain concept about you, it's also the expectation that they have of you. So, however, they have conceptualized you in their mind is also how they will expect you to show up. Anytime you're around those people, they expect you to show up a certain type of way. And we as people, we tend to live up to expectation, right? So they will expect certain type of behaviors from you. They will expect you to say some certain type of things, and like, not even knowingly, they're kind of low-key encouraging you to kind of behave based on how they see you, if that makes any sense. I don't know if I'm making any sense to anyone. So, if you want to change, or if you want to elevate, or if you want to just change your life, or just change yourself, and if you stay around the same people that, they have this certain mindset about you, they just know you to be a certain type of way, it's going to be hard for you to change, because unknowingly and subconsciously they expect you to show up in a certain type of way, and you are also kind of used to showing up in a certain type of way with those people, and also try to live up to that expectation. So it just can be very hard to change or transform, and then staying around the same people, even staying around the same environment. It makes sense to just isolate yourself sometime, and like create this new version of yourself, that whatever that new version is that you're trying to become. And not to say like, oh, discard all the people that have been in your life, or all the old people in your life. I do not support that at all. But like, I think if you're going literally through a process of transformation, through a process of change, it does make sense to distance yourself for just a short amount of time from the people that know you the most, or that know you to be a certain type of way, that you've been around so much. Even if it takes for you to even traveling. This is why people travel, I don't know, do world tours or whatever, like to find themselves. Sometimes you just have to take yourself out of the environment that you know so much and that knows you so much. You just might get some reactions if you deviate from the mental image that people have from you. Once you solidified that particular persona, once you really kind of like have become clear of who you are, and once you kind of like also started seeing the fruits of your new being, once there's some solidification there, you can go back to your former environment and see who still sticks around and who cannot stand the new version of you. And that's life. As you change as well, as you become a new person, some people may just fall away. It just doesn't resonate anymore with who you are and with the path that you're on. And that's a normal part of life. The way trees lose their leaves when we reach autumn, when winter comes around, the season is over, so the leaves has to fall off. So it's the same with you, you know, entering into new season. Some leaves have to fall off, some people around you have to fall away, and it's a normal part of life. But yeah, that's just my own take of this whole notion of isolating yourself in order to grow, or in order to reach a new point of life, etc, etc, whatever they're saying, go MIA, um go ghost, whatever. That's my own take of it, and that's how I come to understand it and how I reason it. What do you guys think about this? What's your experiences around isolation, growth, transformation? Like, how do you feel about that? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.